Morning people, we're back at the bungalow. It's a nice sunny weekend hopefully. So today's job, we're going to take down the fascia and soffit, the old stuff. My son was here yesterday, ripped down the old gutter, and we're going to rip off the old fascia and soffit, get all this down. We think the tiles, normally you have to push the tiles back, but the tiles are held back by some, I think it's like an Irish rail timber type thing sitting there. So we're going to get up on the old ladders. It's only a bungalow, so get up on the ladder, rip this down, rip this down. My son's ordered the fascia and soffit to go up in grey, so I'm gonna get up on the ladder, step ladders. As I say, it's only a bungalow, so I'm gonna get up on the ladder, cut it back, clean it, and I've been given strict orders by my son not to put the mess on the floor, so I've got to be a bit careful. Get up the ladder and show you what we've got. So there we go. Basically, you can see because the sun's in my eyes here. Rip this down, rip this down. We've got timber here holding the tiles up. Because normally what you have to do is take 2 or 3 tiles off and push them back, but I think this timber's holding the tiles up. And the part there for the gas, but that's got to come off, that's got to come off. We're putting OSB. We're putting OSB across on here, right away along. So we're going to put a string line. We're going to run a string line. So I can't really see properly the sun in my eyes. We're going to run a string line, take this off, run a string of line right across from one end to the other, nice and straight. And then my son at the moment is indoors cutting up the OSB. We're going to get that nice and straight right along, all the way along the edge to the end, both sides of the bungalow and the front, and ping a line straight across, get OSB on there. That gives us a nice surface for the fascia board to go onto and the guttering to screw onto. So that's the next job. So first things first, get a bow on that and have a little go, see what happens. So we took some of the fascia and soffit off, and it's a little bit rotten underneath, so I've got a bit of a change of plan. We're going to do a lot better job, a proper job. What we're going to do, we're going to take some tiles up. It's lovely weather, but the sun's so light, it's a pain at work. But what we're planning on doing, we're pushing the second tile back, taking the first tile off there. So we're going to push these back, take this tile off, and we're going to run some felt. This rail's coming off, and we're going to put, my son's just gone to the shop, get some felt. We're going to cut some felt up, chuck some felt under there. This is all rotten as shit. We're going to put some nice new felt on it, do a proper nice job. Which is why builders charge what they charge, because obviously when they look at a job, you're not sure how long it's going to take. While we're up at doing it, might as well do a proper decent job. Done once and for all. So yeah, if we take these tiles back, take these tiles off, felt under, and get this rotten rail off, and refelt it, the bottom half, both sides, refelt it, retile it, hopefully get it done today, ready for the fascia and soffit. So hopefully that'll work out a lot nicer, a lot neater job, get rid of all this rotten rubbish. I don't think this fascia and soffit's ever been done, ever since the building was built, since it's been built. To be fair, it's lasted quite a while. It's the original fascia and soffit, so it's lasted a long time. But time for some new fresh stuff, I think. So son's gone to the shops, and my job is to rip all this off. Get the old bow under that, rip that off. Just got the recip saw, cut that back, and then get the bow under here. So this has all got to come off. It's a long piece it was, so went way along, rip that, get a bow under here, rip all this off, all the old crap, insulation here, take all this off, that's coming off. Got to crack on with that. I want to get it done before my son gets back from the shop. I'll get mine there. I'll see you in a bit. God, little tip for you, when you're moving the ladder, I'm knackered, when you're moving the ladder about, always take your, unhook your crowbar or your wrecking bar, whatever you want to call it, off the ladder. Just cracked me on the bloody head. Moved the ladder over, I heard it rattling, too late, just caught me, nearly smashing my bloody new glasses. Right, so I've done all the fascia, have a look, so I've done all the fascia soffit along there. I'm knackered. I've done all the fascia soffit along here, right way along, bloody, and God, that hurt, that did. Get out here, get this rail off. wait for my son to come back, I think. And, ladder one-handed, not a good idea. Right. So all the fascia and soffits off, all the old crap rotten, and then we're going to take this rail off. We can't do that here. This is rotten. Look. Oh, one bit off. Right. Oh, what a mess. So we're going to take all this off, de-nail it, brush it all off nice and clean, and then when Sam comes back, when he gets back, we're going to refelt this bottom end, brush it off nice and tidy, and bloody fucking thing. Yeah, so we're going to crack on with that, brush it down, move it back. It's a two-man job. He's got in the shop really. I'm waiting for him to come back because I'm up and down, up and down, up and down a bloody ladder with the tiles. So when he comes back, it'll be a lot easier. Just pass them down. So, and then we'll crack on the other side really. We can get this felted and a few tiles in place. Get it ready for the Fascia and Soffit to go on. We'll order that, so that won't be till next week. But my birthday's coming up, so I don't really want to work on my birthday. So we'll see how we get on. Preparation is key. I'll see you in a minute. Bye bye. As with any bloody building job, it's become a lot bigger job than we thought. But it's going to be a better job. I've just got a few more tiles to go. Just got to do these few. And it's finished. Then we've got to take this rail off all the way along. So I'm not sure yet. This felt's rotten. I'll see what Jules wants to do. Might cut it back here, I'll cut it back behind here, cut it back here, tuck it under this batten, put the tiles over, not sure yet. See what the boss wants to do when he finally gets back from the shopping. Don't know if he's stuck in traffic or has gone to Mackie D's. Got the other side to do yet. Still sunny, so we're alright. Just want to get this felt, we can get this felt done. And put some tiles back to hold it down, I'll be alright. Right. Let's crack on. Last few to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiles to go. Brush it all down. I think we've got a hoover we can hoover that up with. I think take this rail off, hoover it all up and clean it. Give it a nice clean brush off. Start from scratch. I mean, this is rotten. Oh, absolutely rotten. Look. So oh, what lot wants redoing really, but miles so much money. Right, last few to do. Just put this camera down and crack on. Well, that's that side finished. Now on the other side. I'm shattered. I'm waiting for the boss to come back and see what he wants me to do. Got to start on the other. I might start on the other side, get the ladder up. Have a look. There we go. What a mess that was. Right, I might start on this side now. Sun's in me eyes, let me show you. Got all this to do now. Looks a bit cleaner and tidy around this side for some reason. So I might start taking some of this off. Get the ladders around. Right, that's one side done. We're going to go on to the other side. I won't film that. I'll show you what we've done so far. We've put some felt under there. This whole front was knackered. We've tucked the felt under the batten. Took the batten up, tucked the felt underneath the batten. And we're going to trim it all back. It's just, for now, temporarily tucked under here. Then we're going to put wooden blocks along there. Ping a line straight across, wooden blocks underneath for the OSB. Then the Fascia and Soffit, bring the tiles down. Push all the tiles back up, but they're going to come back down one. And then the last lot of tiles get nailed on. This is rotten, look. So we've tucked the felt under there. Got to the other side. Now to do the other side. I'm knackered, but crack on, get the other side done. That'll be done for today. I'll try and take the drone out, I think, when I get a chance. So this is the left side of the building finished. This is the, we put felt on here because this felt was knackered, to be quite honest with you, all rotten. So we're going to trim this back, put DPC there, OSB board, Fascia Soffit and guttering. On the other side of the building it went a bit easier because the felt wasn't as bad. So what we've done, we put a DPC, a damp course, right across that top edge there. I'll show you that, look. So we've taken one tile, as the other side, we've taken one tile off, pushed the tiles back, put a damp course just temporarily there, and it's going to sit inside the gutter eventually. This side of it went a little bit easier. So it's getting a bit late now, so it's time to shoot home and have a curry, I think. Jules is just finishing off. So next step is OSB board. Retile it, 2 tiles along the top edge, finish off. I might shoot down the park, get the old drone out, take some shots, because the sun's setting, we'll see. Looking good. Thank you for watching. Next video on the bungalow will be fascia and soffit installation, and the front and back end look nice. I think we'll get that done. Just got all that and get that done going. It's a lot more work than you think. So God bless these builders that do it in a couple of days. They do know what they're doing. They're a lot quicker and experienced, I suppose. But we've done a nice proper job here, so I'm pleased with it. It's coming up nice. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video for the bungalow. Shouldn't be too far away. I'll see you in a bit. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe. Bye bye.